Hi, my name is Brandon, and I want to share about my project, which is called Oxinion Finance. Um, in this project, I've been working on the for the general investor and also for the developer, especially for nowadays. I've been working on the part for MCP Server and also the AI agent with for the agentic workflow. So if you go to the portfolio Autopilot, there is a a map. Uh, I don't know, but like let's say there's a like just draw, and if you click the trigger button, it's gonna you can start as a button as a just a manual button, or it can be you can do trigger with the scheduling with the clone job, and also you can use API in the end, like kind of like a webhook. And then after that, there's a profile load. So you're gonna set the cash ledger, how much you wanna do, and also how you're gonna do the rebalancing every single day or weekly, monthly, quarterly, and also you need to define what kind of stock you have. And I personally prefer to own less than 5 stocks, so I set up. I just limited 5 holdings, and then after that, we do have a observe. So observe is a data collection layer. So it's gonna collect all the data from like many multiple websites. Like I think it's just 4 websites, but I can't remember what it was. And fear and greed index is very popular from CNN and big CBOB. Can't remember. And also I like RSI, and then there's a dollar index. And then after that, it's gonna pass through the validation, and then also we have a we do. I didn't define properly here, but it's kind of like it's gonna do the validation stuff, and then there's an observation how much share you wanna own in the end for the rebalancing, and then there's a decision layer. So my project is not about only AI stuff. All the decision will be made by lawyers, because I do not think using AI for your real money investment is not a great idea. So the decision will be made by lawyers. So if decision is yes, it will be executed to rebalancing, which you define on the previous node. And if there's no, then we're just gonna keep the statement in our database, and then in the end there's a like AI explanation. So I found a repository which is called AI Hedge Fund by Buriat. So in this project there's a multiple agents, like a super investors agent, such as Warren Buffett and Ben Graham, Charlie Munger, Phil Fisher, or something like that. And then in the end, there's a like a risk manager and portfolio manager. So my project is inspired by his project, and also, as I said, like I've been working on the Oxinion Finance MCP, and there's like a bunch of tools you can refer. So I'm gonna like refer his repository, like what kind of tools I can provide based on the AI agent. So on the AI explanation layer, we're gonna have a separate the node. So you can choose Warren Buffett or Charlie Munger, whoever it is, and then all the decision will be made by you. And then in the end, the AI, the Superinvestor AI agent will give you the feedback how the selected investor is gonna think about. So for example, if you choose Warren Buffett, your decision will be uh, will be uh, the super AI agent will review your decision, and in the end, there will be you're gonna get the notification. So, for example, now I turn on the email and Telegram. So, I want to show you my Telegram. So, if we click the Oxinion bot here, I already set up the Oxinion account through the Telegram. So in here, like it say Oxinion Autopilot say hold. So it didn't do any like rebalancing or something else, but it gave me the RSI and BIGS data. So I can I still haven't connected the Lear master accounts yet, but after developing more and more, I can try to connect with my Lear account, and then all the decision, all the trade will be done, it can be executed. And also, there's I'm trying to make the AI agent, so the markdown will be defined something like this. And also you can have a look at the marketplace. It's gonna be more agents. And also I've been working on the MCP server, so you can connect through the mcp.oxinion.com/finance/mcp. Anyway, thank you for watching.